Welcome to Bitunix Rewards Guide 2. Today, we will show the best ways to use reward vouchers efficiently. In My Rewards, you will see different voucher types. Let's start with the fee discount voucher. Activate it right before a planned trading session, not hours early. This is best when you expect higher volume, more entries and exits, or multiple adjustments in a short time. Use it for high-frequency perpetual futures activity like scalping, intraday rotations, or active hedging. It is also ideal when you are testing a new strategy and expect lots of small trades. To avoid wasting value, trade only on eligible pairs and keep an eye on the voucher cap and expiry. Before you start, open the voucher card and confirm the product and pair restrictions. Then trade during the active window to maximize fee savings. Next, the APR Boost Voucher. Use this when you are waiting, not chasing. It is designed for funds you plan to keep idle while you decide your next trade. Best scenarios include sideways markets, post-news uncertainty, or high volatility when direction is unclear. Subscribe during the voucher window so your eligible wealth product can earn more yield. If the voucher has a duration or cap, match your subscription amount and timing so you capture the full boost. Always check eligible products, duration, and caps before you subscribe. Some campaigns offer physical prizes. For optimal value, choose based on your goal. If you want flexibility, redeem the USDT equivalent. If you want the item, select delivery, enter accurate shipping details, and track the status in the app. Quick tips. Use vouchers with a plan. Prioritize rewards that expire soon. Match fee discount vouchers with active trading periods. Match APR boost vouchers with times you are waiting in cash. Check eligibility rules before you act, and complete tasks in Task Center to build rewards consistently. That's Rewards Guide 2 on Bitunix. Always check voucher rules before you use them.